Alright guys, let's do a base 12 division problem. Now base 12, it's not as intuitive as regular base 10. So we have to be a little bit careful about what we're doing. And keep in mind this algorithm is the exact same as the algorithm for division in base 10, except all our place values are now in base 12. So we have in our divisor we have B1s and 2 12s. So B, remember, B is like 11. So we have 11 ones and 2 12s. So this is equivalent to the number 2 times 12 plus 11 times 1, which is 24, plus 11, which is 35. So 2B is like the number 35. 2b in base 12, I should say, is like the number 35 in base 10. So let's do some long division. So how many times does 2b go into 6? Well, 2b is larger than 6, so obviously it doesn't go in 0 times. We'll just leave it blank. So now we have to ask, well, how many times does 2b go into 6 1? And the answer is, I don't know. So we can take a guess. So 2b is close to 3 0. It's 1 off from 3 0. So, and if you double 3 0, you get 6 0. So I'm venturing to guess that 2b goes into 6 1 twice. So now we have to go to our base 12 multiplication table, and if we look, we find that 2 times b gives us 1a. So we put our a here, and we carry our 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So we subtract. So we need to borrow 12 here, so that becomes 5. That becomes a 1, 1, which we're thinking of as 13. So 13 minus a, remember a is like 10, so that is 3. So 1, 1 minus a is 3, and 5 minus 5 is 0, so we're good to go. Alright, so let's bring down our a. So we bring down our a. 2b goes into 3a. Well, that one's easy. That goes once. We subtract 2b. And this time maybe I'll switch pens here. So we need to steal 12 from here. So this now becomes 1a. So here we have 21. So we have 22 ones. So 1 12 and 10 ones for a total of 22 ones. And we're taking away 11 ones. So 22 minus 11 is 11. So we have b1s, and that is it. So that's great. B is smaller than 2b, so we're good to go. So let's bring down our 3, and let's do the last step. So how many times does 2b go into b3? I have no clue. Well, let's try, again, this is like 3 0. So let's try, so 3 0 times 4 would be, so if we can do that, so 3 0 times 4, that's 0, and then 3 times 4, we can look at our multiplication table, is 1 0, so it looks like B3 is just smaller than 1 0 0. So maybe it doesn't go in exactly 4 times, so let's try it going in 3 times. Okay? So 3 times B is 2 9, carrier 2.